How does the water feel? Yeah. Oh wow, Dan, that's a nice one. Katie, the water's pretty rough today, huh? Not really. No, you didn't. Look at that little bird. Careful, Muffin. All right, go jump. I'll look for shells.